With the DSTV Assistant for SolidWorks, you can export NC data of profiles and sheets in DSTV NC format directly from SolidWorks and pass it on to machine manufacturing. The DSTV Assistant is a standalone add-in, as it is ideal for use at the interface between design and production, as well as for steel distributors. An important area within the software is the sophisticated capabilities of the costing module. Here, different machines can be defined and cost factors such as time, tool life, and tool change can be defined. These parameters can be used to accurately predict the cost of all types of machining. The generation of DSTV NC data is as automated and fast as possible, as the DSTV Assistant reliably recognizes all types of profiles and unrecognized profiles can easily be defined manually. For quick localization, selected components are displayed in the list in a 3D window, such as the unrolled shell of the tank shown here.